Let's talk about how to save money when you're dyeing concrete. Well, mixing concrete's pretty much hit or miss as to what the color of the concrete will be when it dries. Most concrete, when it dries, turns out to be white. If you're using the concrete in something ornamental like landscaping or a pathway, this doesn't work out very well. So they do actually make dyes, so you can make the concrete any color you want it to be. For example, I built this stone pathway. Concrete surrounding the path is now red instead of a bright white. I accomplished this by using this product right here. It worked extremely well as the red color really didn't fade over time. However, if you look at the price, they're pretty darn proud of their product. Sometimes when you're doing landscaping, for example, concreting this rock wall into place, you don't want the concrete to be white. It would overwhelm and take away from the beauty of the rock wall. Over the years, the concrete would eventually get dirty and grow stuff on it, and finally blend into the rock wall and look good. But if you don't want to wait a couple years for your landscaping to actually look good, there is a cheaper alternative than to buying the expensive dyes. I head over to the fabric store or one of the big box stores, and I buy some fabric dye. It runs about half the price of the expensive concrete dye. Simply mix the dye into the water before you put it into the concrete. Using trial and error through different mixture levels, you can get the concrete to match the color of your rocks pretty well. Well, thanks for watching.